Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make voyage planning easy guide. Start by choosing clear goals and a primary destination, then build a timeline with buffer days and fuel margins. Create a prioritized checklist for safety gear, documentation, and provisions. Review weather windows and tidal patterns, and identify alternate harbors for emergencies. Share the plan with crew and a trusted contact ashore before departure to ensure communication. In this video, I will explain how to make voyage planning easy guide. Use official charts and electronic aids to plot primary and backup routes with clear waypoints and distances. Calculate fuel, speed, and estimated times while accounting for currents and tides. Mark hazards, restricted areas, and potential anchorages, and prepare updated paper backups. Review navigation plans with the helmsman and ensure redundancy in instruments and communications. In this video, I will explain how to make voyage planning easy guide. Estimate provisions by crew, route, and contingencies, and always carry reserves for delays. Organize spares and tools with a maintenance checklist to address common failures, and practice emergency drills for fire, man overboard, and abandonment. Ensure communications, flares, and life jackets are current and accessible. Assign roles to crew for watchkeeping, navigation, and medical response so everyone knows responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.